Good day, sir. This is Jenna Kate Holapong from Bachelor of Science in Criminology Section Alpha, and this is my task for CLJ 121. When does a warrantless is allowed? Cite examples. A warrantless is allowed, for example, when you are a police and you are walking in street, then suddenly you saw a crime. The victim is being stabbed, so in that case, as a police, you are allowed to make or to do a warrantless arrest because the crime is happened actual or at your presence. What makes an inquest proceeding different from preliminary investigation? What makes an inquest proceeding different from preliminary investigation is that the instant and informal investigation by a police prosecutor, meaning it didn't have any warrant of arrest that is usually issued by a court, while the preliminary investigation is conducted before a complaint and any other informations are filed to the court. What are the primary functions of prosecution pillar in criminal justice system? So, the primary function of the prosecution pillar was to perform and conduct criminal attention or action in order to lead and give directions to the police during the investigation phase. Discuss the distinction and purpose of institutional and non-institutional corrections. Cite and examples. So, the institutional correction is focused on rehabilitation and the views detaining as patients whose required treatments and to guide to become a responsible members of the society. The example of this is the revenge of the offender. The non-institutional correction is referred to a base community program in which the correctional activities takes place into the community that is directed to address offenders and help him to be a law-abiding citizen. When a person committed a crime, he cannot be called as an offender, but as a person deprived of liberty. John Doe was convicted to suffer imprisonment of 36 months. And what correctional institution should take care of his institution correction and why? The Bureau of Jail Management and Penology will take care for him if John Doe is sentenced to 3 years in prison. It is because under the BJMP, the Department of Interior and local governments are responsible for the custody, security, and rehabilitation of convicted persons sentenced to 3 years or less than 36 months. Discuss the rationale behind the inclusion of community as component of Philippine criminal justice system. The community pillar is considered as an example part of criminal justice system in the Philippines. It has also been designated as the fifth pillar of the system. The community is included in the Philippine criminal justice system, for it is responsible for assisting the four formal pillars of the Philippine criminal justice system, and in carrying out their mandates, they bear the huge responsibility of moral leadership. Again, this is Jana Kate A. Hulapong from Bachelor of Science in Criminology Section Alpha. And that ends my task on CLJ 121. Thank you for watching.